Hi, welcome to CivilMix. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to insert doors and windows to certain project. Here I have opened one project I have done and all the walls are ready to insert doors and windows. First, select the relevant floor plan. I am selecting ground level and go to Architectural tab and open door and go to Edit Type. Click Load and go to Material Library. I'm going to select Doors and browse the door you want. Here there is a preview. Easily you can select what you want to insert. Here I am selecting this door as my main door and click open. After selecting the correct door and click OK. Here I am inserting the door like that, and again I am going to load a different door type for interior doors. For interior rooms, I am using this door and click open and click OK. Now I can easily insert those doors according to my requirement. I will zoom one door and see when I click this, there are some arrows which can change the direction of this door. So after inserting, you can easily change the direction of the doors. Now I am going to insert windows. For that, I am going to Architectural tab, Windows. Again I am going to load Windows. For that, browse the folder Windows and you have a lot of families, and click what you want and go and insert on your project. Here I am inserting some of windows according to my favor, and now all are ready. Here also you can change the side of the window according to your desire, and in 3D view all the windows and doors are now shown really well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends.